Welcome to the guide to Revolut Webhook integration. A step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate webhooks into your application using Revolut. Firstly, let's start with the basics. A webhook is essentially a callback function that is triggered by a specific event. In this case, a transaction or an update to an account. Revolut provides webhooks for various events such as payments, refunds, and account updates. To get started with Revolut Webhook integration, you will need to create a Revolut business account and generate an API key. This key will be used to authenticate your requests and secure your webhooks. Next, you need to set up a webhook endpoint. This is the URL that Revolut will send the webhook requests to. It should be a publicly accessible URL and should be able to handle HTTP post requests. Once you have set up your webhook endpoint, you can start configuring your webhooks. You can choose which events you want to receive webhooks for, such as payments or refunds. And you can also specify additional parameters such as the account or the currency. When a webhook is triggered, Revolut will send an HTTP post request to your webhook endpoint. The request will contain the event data in JSON format. You can then process this data and perform any necessary actions. It's also important to note that you should implement idempotence in your webhook handling code. This means that if a webhook is sent multiple times, your code should be able to handle it without causing any issues. In terms of security, you should always validate the authenticity of the webhook requests. You can do this by checking the signature of the request. Revolut provides a secret key that you can use to verify the signature. In conclusion, Revolut Webhook integration is a powerful tool that allows you to automate tasks and receive real-time updates. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a seamless integration and make the most out of Revolut webhooks.